Question is asking what is the angle between these lines, okay. So I'll say compare with ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. What I want is only a value, b value. A value is 1 here, b value is minus 6 and h value is nothing but minus half. Only these values I need. Why? Because I can say that the acute angle tan theta can be written as modulus of 2 times square root of h square minus ab divided by what is it, a plus b. So tan theta can be written as 2 times square root of h square, which is nothing but 1 by 4 plus 6 divided by what? 1 by 4 plus 6 divided by a plus b, 1 minus 6. So what is your answer that we get? Tan theta, that is equal to modulus of 2 into root of 25 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 2 divided by minus 5. So tan theta is equal to modulus of minus 1. So tan theta is equal to 1, correct or not? So what is the value of theta is equal to? Theta is nothing but tan inverse of 1. Theta is equal to how much degree we get? We get 45 degree. This is the answer to the question.